Let's have a look at the process of importing paths from Illustrator into Cinema 4D. First, let's open up Illustrator. We have a logo in here. And what you're going to need to do is make sure that you save your logo out as Illustrator 8. This is the only format that's going to work. If you save it in any other format, Cinema 4D cannot read the file. So make sure you save it in Illustrator 8. Click OK. Now we can go back to Cinema 4D. Now we have two options at this point. We can either go in and we can open the file, and we're going to get the Adobe Illustrator import dialog box. Scale, you'll want to leave that as is. Connect splines. If you check this box, all of your splines will be connected and grouped together. Show you what that means. I'll click OK. You come here. We need to get rid of this big box. This one. We'll frame that up. So the connecting of the splines and the grouping of the splines comes into play with numbers like the 8, where you have compound shapes or shapes within shapes. So it'll take this information and it'll make this one complete spline. Whereas if we didn't check that, these would be individual pieces, and then it becomes a nightmare whenever you try to extrude this into 3D. So this is one option. We could just open the file like that. Let me close that. Another way that we could do it is we could merge the file, and we'll click OK again. Let me frame that up. So the big difference between merging and opening, if you open the project, it's going to create a new document. However, if you merge it, it will merge the new Illustrator file into whatever you already have open. So if you already had a scene open you've been working on, and this was just going to be another element, you would want to merge that into your current scene. So from this point, we can just go down and look at our individual paths. And let's say that we were happy with everything here. We'll get rid of the null that comes in with Illustrator. We will take the extrude NURBS. Take all of our paths, put it underneath the extrude NURBS. And remember, we need to come over here and turn on the hierarchical button. And then we have our logo in 3D. Probably go over here and turn on fillet caps. Get something like that. Okay, so bringing files in from Illustrator is a pretty easy process. Just remember to save it out as Illustrator 8 legacy format, and then either open or merge.